The 62 new fine detail nature objects in Lumion 10 are by far the most detail-rich tree and plant objects we have ever created. Get up close. You can experience the rough texture of the bark, the quaint and gentle fluttering of the leaves as wind flows through the branches. Place these in front of your home, building, or park, and your entire scene will be teeming with life. These trees are much richer and more detailed than the standard nature objects. They will make your scene heavier and can slow down render speed. A closing pro tip is to place the fine detail nature objects in the foreground of your view to capture every detail and immerse your audience in the environment.